Getting together with the family to make some spooky pumpkins is fun. In this video, I'll show you how I like to make the spooky pumpkins.
So carving a pumpkin. First, you want to pick a pumpkin. Now, there's always going to be some irregularities in a pumpkin, so you want to make sure that you got one that at least have a face that side really nice. A nice side that's really good, that gives it some character. Right here, you see it's almost got like a big bulbous forehead on it right here. The back, of course, is ugly, but nobody's going to see that. So we got the big bulbous forehead, we got the little thing here. We kind of get an idea of what the pumpkin's going to look like. He's probably going to be yelling like, ah! So we're going to do that with the pumpkin. We first got to clean them up, and we got our tools that we need. We need a pot to hold the guts. We need a sharp knife, a crayon, newspaper, and our carving tools. I got these at Target on discount after Halloween. So let's get it set up.
When you cut the top open, you want to make sure that you leave a nice angle on there, because when you peel everything off of around, you don't want the top falling in. Alright, so here we carve out the inside, try to get all the gunk out of there. Make sure that when you have it all cleaned up on the outside, you're ready to start drawing with your crayon. I usually use a dark crayon because it's easy to erase with your rag. And then when you get where you want it to be, you can carve it all out. Now, you don't need to erase the whole crayon after you're done carving. When you turn on the pumpkin light inside, it's, you won't see the carving or the crayon on the outside anyway. But it's just a nice handy way to kind of be creative, and you don't have to worry about, tearing it all up. Now, here at this point, I'm using the pumpkin carving tool, the little serrated edge. When you carve the first part, you have to go around and do the inside to kind of thin it out a little bit so that you can get in there and make sure the light shines through without having all the pumpkin and stuff in the way. So here you can see I'm kind of cut the hole first, and then I angle it out to clear out all the excess from the inside without making the outside hole any bigger. Now, when I'm doing the eyes, same thing. You just kind of go around the edges there, clean it up. It's really fun to do with the family, it's a little exciting, and, whatever. Everybody can take their own pumpkin, get a crayon, everybody draws on them. It's not a crazy activity, and the tools aren't that sharp. Like here I have the serrated edge again, but I'm just kind of etching the outside so that I can use the peeling part to kind of bring the mouth out without, get it that see-through kind of thing with the light when it shows through there. Now, the only problem with that is you have to go in the inside and really thin down the pumpkin. So once you get this part done, you might have some trouble knocking some of the teeth out when you're trying to thin. I use the circle carving piece right there to try to get that done. And it's not too bad. I did have a little bit of a problem with one of the teeth. They did get kind of knocked out. Here I'm thinning it some more to get the green off, because I wanted to keep the green because I thought that might look cool, but I went too far on the one side, so I had to take it all out, because you don't want just a half green kind of thing going on. But here I'm trying to thin it, get it down so that the light will shine through. And I did use a flashlight to try to get through there, but it didn't work so well. This is the tool here that just kind of peels that skin right off. Thanks for watching. If you could like and share it, I'd appreciate it.